everyone, it's Raquel, the primary librarian, and today I have an unboxing of a little haul that I got from the PlannerKate, and I want to open it up with you. I'm going to use my handy dandy scissors here and open my package. I want to thank everyone for coming back to visit me today, all my subscribers, and also if you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for videos. I do videos usually every Sunday and Thursday, and then also if you are returning, I want to thank you so much for returning, coming back to see what else I have cooking here. So let's open this up. PlannerKate has some new items in her shop, and I wanted to take advantage of those. Let's see. There we go. Oh, that's that. That's my paperwork there. Got some kits, and yes. So the newest thing that I absolutely love is she has these sticker photo albums. So it says PlannerKate stickers, and you can put here on the side, you can put what kind of stickers you have in them. So I'm going to start to do that, put that together. But let's go ahead and open it up. Aren't these beautiful? Let's look at the whole thing once I get it open. Let's take a look at the whole thing. The little sleeve. So if you purchase these, this is how it will come. And it is like a plastic, flexible plastic, where you can kind of make it so that it sits like this. And that is very thick. That part is very thick. And then you have sleeves for your kits. So this is the 9 by something. I have to, let me see if I can find it on here. They are 9 by 6. There's also an 8 by 5 option. This is a 9 by 6. So it will fit your kits, which is great, which is really great. I fit like that. Let's see what we got in here. So these are the planner kit holders. Let's see. I forget that they usually open up to the front. So whenever you order from PlannerKate, you get 5 free samples, you get her card, and then whatever it is that what you've ordered. Let's see here. What samples did we get this time? So we got some of these habit tracker boxes. I love these, especially for doing the account, doing like budgeting and stuff like that. Day off to call, don't forget, workout. Those are cute. I'm not a fan of the font D, but that's okay. That's okay. Pencils, great for school coming up. And then we've got kind of like a mix of different dots. And then you always get her card. So we'll put those over there. And then, yes, we have a few kits, or maybe one kit. Let's see how many. I forget. It's been so long. So I think I have 2 kits in here. This one, and then this one. So pretty. All right, we're going to look at them separately. So this one is kit 253B and C. And you'll see there, 253C. Isn't that beautiful, that lavender? I'm going to hold it up there a little bit. That is so pretty. All this beautiful. This is actually like a purple and black. That's so pretty. And then I got this, the washi strips. Beautiful. Absolutely stunning. I love these. I love these. And then, so we have this here. That goes with that kit. And let's see, what else did I get? This goes with this kit. This one is the check boxes and some other boxes to go with it. And then this washi here on the side. More than likely for my daily duo, what I use are these skinnier washi right here. I use the skinnier washi on my daily duo. So that's one kit. Let's open this kit up. This is beautiful. This is a fall. Look at this washi. Oh my gosh, I'm going to turn it this way. Isn't that beautiful? The little trees. They're very pale and they have little hedgehogs. Oh my gosh. Can you see that? So cute. And they have leaves. And of course the pattern here, so pretty. And for fall, oh, look at this. Argyle. Beautiful. I love that. Oh my goodness, it's a wonder I even get to use these on my kits because I just love them so much. And so this says life starts all over again when it gets the crisp in the fall. Cute. And then these have just some flowers, some leaves right there. So this is new. These are two of her newer kits for the fall. And then we have these here that have the plaid washi, and then some other. These little ones here are also made for the hourly that we have, the little skinnier parts for the hourly. And then I have these decorative boxes, and then I have these, and I usually always get the strips, but this time I also got the individual, and these are the ones that I use when I use my daily. So I get those for my daily, and then just some extra boxes. Now these you could also use for your daily, which I just might do. All you have to do is just cut them off. I usually have 2 strips because if I have this much washi on it, sometimes I try to do more than one kit with it. But let's see how they fit in here. Let's see. I am going to do this, and let's do this in the back. Let's see how they look. It would help if I could get it straight. Usually I try to like fold them like this and then put them in. Hold on. Maybe that's what I have to do. Just to get them in there and then kind of flatten them out. There we go. Very nice. So very nice. So that is on that side. That's on that side. Let's see. Let's just put this one in. I probably will not know. I don't usually use them that way. I'm going to put this on the inside. It's just like this, because that's what I do. I have all my kits in one sleeve and not multiple sleeves. So let's put all of these together. And I'm going to put them on the back side, just so that I know I have all the parts to my kit there. Oh, this is perfect. And then you could just go through and you can see the front of your kit and the back. Let's do this one since we're here. Front, back, and then these parts are going to be here. So let's see if I can do a better job putting them in this time. I don't want to crinkle that. I'm trying not to crinkle it. Not doing a good job. Okay, let's see, did that go in? It did. All right. Beautiful. They lay very nicely in here as well. Move those over. They lay in here very nice. So there's not a lot of room that it will take up on your shelf. Will they fit in here? I'm going to take these out. Let's see if they're too big. Are they too wide maybe? Whoops. Yeah, I was going to try to fit in here, but they're too wide. The ones that were smaller probably fit in there a little better. I was thinking maybe they might be a little too tall, but that's fine. These are so pretty. You guys have to try them out. They're absolutely adorable. I am going to be putting my kits in here, and I might even have a tab to kind of separate them. So I have like fall, winter, maybe holiday. I probably need just one for summer. So I might have to bring this one, but I only got the 2 just for right now. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If there's anything that you saw that you like, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys so much for joining me. I really appreciate it. Have a wonderful afternoon. Bye-bye.